Iba na yun ah.
A lot of things, okay?
You know what I heard about Corina?
I'm pretty.
Pretty.
Corina.
Pretty good.
Corina.
What?
You're my sister.
No!
I love you.
No!
And you're a sexy bitch.
What the hell?
Oh wait, I'm not supposed to be facing the door.
Hello.
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 I want to be back to the side so Kuya Eddie will be cold. See?
Sing him, you're Corina, Marimar.
Corina.
Happy birthday, Carlo!
You stupid.
Ay, Corina. Ako po si Corina. Lumaki sa tabing swimming pool. Extra. Extra ka. Naman eh. Tutulog na nga.
Where's there a chair?
It's your fault. Look.
Get out of my bed! I swear, get out! Mom, get out of my bed! Cow, what do you do with it? Move.
Move? You want to watch a move?
Your boss is getting like more than half of the freaking cow.
You know what's scary? This is very scary.
Haven't given that to me.
This is scary.
That's very scary. Then that's very scary, you know?
I can wake up with that.
Wait, look, pan to that.
I
So,
can
ew.
wake up with that.
May laway.
Wait,
Wait, don't make my ano for my pillow. My God, ano ba? Go to sleep na, Silky Kumar. Silky Kumar.
Ride in my silky jumbo jet.
Remember.
Kuya, shut up with the, you know what I heard about?
You know what I heard about?
Yeah, we're still
Sleeping
next
with-
to a closet.
Yeah.
I know. But at least I'm next to Ate Kuya Eder. You know what I heard about sleeping on spiral pillows? They can hypnotize
You know what I
you.
heard about sleeping beside Chico and polka dot couch?
What?
It's not polka dot, is it?
Wrong.
Kaya nga, I just heard about it. You know what I heard
Silky
about
Kasuwa,
sleeping beside
Silky.
Chico near the TV
He's gonna fart.
It's gonna eat you, the TV's gonna eat you.
in a weird couch.
I'm gonna kill Sada ko.
Ay, sad ka.